everybody. Today we're going to make some shadow puppets using toilet paper roll. First, you want to get your ingredients together. Of course, you need a toilet paper roll. You also are going to want some tape. I've got packing tape. You can also use Scotch tape. And you can find a little figurine or a toy that you want to use. And today I am going to use a little jack-o'-lantern from some Halloween garland I had. Okay, so you want to get those things together. Optionally, you can have a scissors, extra paper for drawing and cutting. Permanent marker is also good because if you use packing tape, you can draw directly on it, and I'm going to show you that too. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get your toilet paper roll, figure out how you want your little figure to be on it, and tape it. So I think what I'm going to do is I am going to put the little figurine on my packing tape and then put the packing tape over the toilet paper roll. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, now that I have him taped there, he has become a shadow puppet. In order to make him work like a shadow puppet, what you are going to do is turn him around, okay? Go to a dark place. You can already see how he's casting a shadow, okay? But if you take a little flashlight or your phone light and shine it through in a dark place, you will see his shadow on the wall, okay? And you can put your own narration with him if you want to do a Halloween story in July. That could be fun, okay? So, or any other kind of a narrative you want to make. Okay, I did mention that you could also use permanent markers, and I did actually a drawing of a horse, which I'm going to show you now. And this horse that you're seeing now is with a bright light shining through it in a dark space. And you can see I drew it directly onto the tape, and you can also do that. So you can totally use your imagination with this. You can cut things out, and you can color things. If you have permanent colored markers, you can see whether the colors show up. So it's great for experimenting, and you can do your own narrative. And if you make a movie, let us know. Tag us on Instagram or TikTok or whatever, and let us know how it came out. Okay, have fun. Bye now.